Today I'm showing you how to create Google Forms for surveys, quizzes, or collecting information. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Google Forms. Open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. It looks like a grid of 9 dots. Scroll down and click on Google Forms. Step 2. Choose a template or start blank. You'll see various templates like quiz, contact information, RSVP, party invitation, and more. You can select any template or click the blank form with a plus sign to start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll click blank. Step 3. Add form title and description. At the top, enter your form title. For example, company feedback form. Below that, add a description like, please share your feedback with us. Step 4. Create your first question. In the first question field, type your question, let's say name. On the right side, you'll see the question type dropdown. Since it's a name, select short answer. Toggle on the required switch if you want this field to be mandatory. Step 5. Add more questions. Click the plus sign on the right to add another question. Type email address, keep it as short answer, and make it required. Click the plus sign again for more questions. Step 6. Use different question types. For the next question, type something like, would you recommend us? Change the question type to multiple choice. Add options, type yes for option 1, then click add option and type no. Step 7. Customize your form. Click the palette icon at the top right to customize the theme. Click Choose Image to add a header image. Select from categories like work and school. Pick an image and click Insert. You can also change the theme color, background color, and font style. Try selecting Playful for a friendly look. Step 8. Share your form. Click the Publish button at the top right. You have 3 options: send via email, create a shareable link, or embed it. The easiest way is to click the link icon, copy the URL, and share it with your recipients. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google form. Recipients can now fill it out, and you'll receive their responses automatically in Google Sheets.